Introducing the new Ergo-designed Loupes from Schultz Optical. This new design allows you to keep your neck and back straight while still seeing the area you are working on. Instead of being built into the lens of the glasses, they are independently adjustable. You can also flip them up and out of the way when reading a chart. You can add a headlight as well to really be able to see with minimal eye strain. All optics are made of glass, and the frame of the Loupes is aero aluminum. The frames on the glasses are titanium too. Order the glasses with your normal prescription, and when received, you can start adjusting. First, start with putting on the glasses, making a good fit on your face using the adjustable nose pads. Now tighten the head strap to ensure the glasses are stable. Next, we will adjust the up and down of the Loupes. Loosen the middle screw and close one eye to adjust either up or down until you see a perfect circle. Then tighten. Now open both eyes. If you see two circles side by side, we will need to adjust the left and right. First, loosen the top left and right nut. Adjust left and right until you have a clear view of the viewing area. We suggest that for this part, focus on something that would be the normal distance of view, as if you were actually performing a task. Remember to tighten both nuts when finished. After this adjustment, if you see two circles slightly up or down from each other, you will need to adjust the nose pad until you see one perfect circle. Ensure the nuts are tightened so you won't need to readjust. The glasses and Loupes can be cleaned with a microfiber that is included in the case.